Hey guys, how's it going, guys? Welcome to another video. And one of you guys are trying to show hate to my YouTube channel, and I do not appreciate that. I mean, look at this, see? Showing hate to my YouTube channel, no, huh? See? This is what some of us YouTubers has to deal with now is. See, this is what I'm dealing with is hate being showed to my YouTube channel. See, look, see, here, see here, bruh, it's 2018. It's just a video, jeez, don't you know that? Lol, I know. See, that's showing hate to my YouTube channel, see that? That I do not accept. I mean, what's going on with that, dude? I mean, you guys cannot even handle all my, I mean, Mystical Cat Gaming, since you're showing hate to my YouTube channel, no. And you know so Mystical Cat Gaming, man, you know that I'm watching, you know, and yeah, Mystical Cat Gaming, I'm recording this video about you, so if you're watching this Mystical Cat Gaming, then I'm gonna see this video, guys, is because I know what's going on, Mystical Cat Gaming. I read my comments sometimes, so I read my comments sometimes, so I know what you guys are saying. So out of all the videos you guys have been, out of all of these videos, Mystical Cat Gaming, out of all these videos you've been, out of all these videos, Mystical Cat Gaming, I mean, come on, Mystical Cat Gaming, of all of these videos that I upload, and you don't even show me much support. You were laughing, Mystical Cat Gaming. That's unacceptable. See, I upload all these videos, and I'm nice enough to do that. And I'm also nice enough to accept your suggestions. See, and here I upload all these popular videos. Even that one I walked to McDonald's creepypasta and no, get out of here. But anyways, yeah. I upload all these videos, Mystical Cat Gaming, and you show hate. And Squishy Ghastly, if you watch this video, if in the future you see this video, Squishy Ghastly, then Squishy Ghastly, you're awesome. Squishy Ghastly, I'm gonna give you a shout out. So hold on, let me shout out your video for you. Let me comment. I'm gonna comment this. See, look, let me comment. So squishy, so squishy, Ghastly. You have a shout out, a shout out from me. There, that ought to do it. So there you go, Squishy Ghastly, and you have a shout out, and I'm gonna give you, and I'm also gonna give Ethan Wilson a shout out. So Ethan Wilson, you're getting a shout out too, and so are you, Wander. Well, guys, I think that is it for this.